Hi, this is a bathroom that we recently finished in Tahoe Donner. It's a master bathroom and it's got a double vanity, of which we actually repurposed all of the existing cabinetry, which is vertical grain Douglas fir, and it really went with the house, all of the millwork within the house so nicely that there was no reason to start over. So we just added new countertops. We painted the entire bathroom a similar color to what we did in the bedroom. It's a really rich, dark brown. It's called otter brown. It's a terrific color. Really am happy with it. The flooring is actually a wood-looking tile with heated elements underneath it, so it's a really nice, warm, physically warm floor. We had a bit of a situation with the mirrors. We really wanted to use these decorative mirrors. They're just beautiful, and they have a polished nickel accent on the bottom and the top. But we noticed with where they needed to be placed, due to where the faucet lined up and things like that, that we weren't going to really get to have a full reflection, or as full of a reflection as we had hoped. So what we opted to do was do a mastic glued mirror on the wall, on the entire wall, and then mounted the mirrors on top of that. So we have a mirror on top of mirror look. It's very subtle, but it allowed us to have the best of both worlds. We have lighting on either side of the mirrors, which is great to light the face. It's probably the best way to light your face while you're washing up or doing makeup or whatever. So the other neat thing we did in this bathroom was this beautiful tile. In fact, this tile kind of inspired the whole bathroom. It is manufactured and made in Israel, and it has an LED light on the inside. Let me see if I can turn off the light. So if I walk over here, you can see that these limestone type of tiles actually bulge out, and there's an LED light that will shine up and down. So it really gives the room an amazing ambiance if you turn off the main overhead lights. We have a nice fireplace by freestanding tub. We redid the shower completely. And then in the in the water closet, we just added a really cool mirror actually above a floating shelf, and it doubles the light. It actually makes the whole bathroom look bigger. It's a pretty cool effect. This is the same tile that we used around the shower. One of my favorite window treatments is made by Conrad Blinds, Conrad Window Treatments. And they're just so subtle and beautiful. They have a bazillion choices. And this was the one that we picked for this bathroom. So you can see through it in the day, but at night it will give you privacy.